magluto tayo ng ating breakfast. Ang tawag nila dito ay dosa. Isa siyang ground rice, white rice, and white gram. Tapos, ang partner nito guys ay chamandi. Yan, nakikita nyo yung orange na sauce yan. Yan yung chamandi. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang coffee.
No sweet. No sweet.
Don't look at my food. If you will make like that. Ayaw na lang pagkain ko.
Oh, mommy, lalagay ako dosa, sugar.
Sugar.
I know
What a combination.
I know my IQ. Because I remember when I was a little kid, you'll put sugar. And then the next one you put, and then next one you gave us that circle thing, and then you put ketchup on it.
Punta kami guys sa lola ng asawa ko. Isang ko ito lalagay. Pinapaiwan yung cellphone. Pinakasara na to. Diyos mio, marimar. Tara. Tara, let's.
Welcome to the underground waterfall.
What? You see the stream?
Oh, no.
Oh, it's very near. It's near.
Oh, no. Yeah, we're already here.
It's here?
Yeah, this is where we are.
This is their new house. Up.
Welcome. What is this, Mama? It's that they got it there. They gotta.
Let's go. Yung unang pinuntahan namin guys is yung kapatid ng papa ng asawa ko. Dito yung lola niya. Ayan yung nakaupo sa harap. Yan. Dito na kami. Blessed ka ha? You blessed, okay? Blessed. Ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Hindi na ako nakapag-video doon kasi hindi ko alam kung okay sa kanilang mag-video. Kasi mostly sa mga tao dito, pinapahalagan nila ang kanilang privacy. So, I respect their privacy. Kaya, hindi na ako nag-video doon sa mga bahay nila. Yung unang pinuntahan namin is yung kapatid ng papa ng asawa ko. So, yung second na pinuntahan namin is yung lola niya. So, ayan, we're home. Dito na kami.
R.I.P. Snail. Key. Give me.
Okay.这个都不用下白色。啊，没得，走，你来这里。
Sounds cool.